Hey, welcome back. Today is January 25th, Monday, and on this post, I'll be telling you about the overall crypto markets very quickly before diving into Uniswap, UNIUSD, and see what exactly has gone on in this market since the last time I've spoken. I'll be telling you about the bullish and bearish case scenarios for today, as well as the short-term price prediction on this market according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before I begin today, if you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe. If you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks as of today upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit of $100, and I will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. I'm purely sharing my own speculations opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it's extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please only leave them in the comment section below, but I'll get to them. I'll try my best to get to as many of them as possible. Now, see what exactly is going on in this market first. Bitcoin dominance, what I will always be focusing on first before anything, tells me where the money could be trending into, whether it be Bitcoin, altcoins, and neither. I've already done a pretty extensive post on Bitcoin dominance and price action earlier today. If you guys want to see what I said about how these two markets can affect the altcoins, generally speaking, you guys can take a look in my earlier post today. But currently, I do see Bitcoin dominance here briefly. Just mentioning here that it could be bouncing back up. When Bitcoin dominance bounces back up, it would not be as great for trading altcoins as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance was trending downwards. So this is something key I'm still looking for. Let's see if Bitcoin dominance would actually continue trending downwards for better altcoin price action, generally speaking. If Bitcoin dominance trends back up and Bitcoin price action dumps, this could take the altcoins a lot more down a lot more significantly as opposed to if Bitcoin dominance was trending downwards. Bitcoin price action right now does seem like a possible rejection could be happening right here and could be taking a swing down within this falling wedge pattern. Key support I'm still looking at is the daily 50 MA. If it actually breaks this daily 50 MA, the next level of key support I'll be looking at will be the 3-day 21 MA, which would be about 27.5K right now. So some way down, maybe the 30K area will be psychological support, but if that does not hold, this will be the next level of key support I'll be looking at. So if Bitcoin price action dumps, this could take the altcoins to quite a bit of a pullback here as well. Let's take a look into Uniswap, UniUSD, and see what exactly could be going on in here. So Uniswap, since the last time I have actually done a post on this, it has had quite a bit of a run. Let's take a look from the top down. Monthly time frame, we don't have an RSI here yet. Weekly time frame, we are in pretty overbought territory, about 77 from the last high. Currently, it's taking a little bit of a pullback. That's absolutely normal. Bearish divergence on the 3-day time frame here. However, the 3-day 21 MA is way down here, about $5.50. So my conservative estimate would have been that the price action, whenever I do see bearish divergence on a specific time frame, my conservative estimate is that it's going to meet the next closest moving average. Let's see if the price action would drop all the way down here, or would it actually consolidate until it gets to the price action, or if the bulls are actually strong enough, would it just take off without it? But this is something I'll be taking into consideration because of bearish divergence down here on the RSI. Same thing on the daily time frame. There was, let's see. Yes, technically there was still bearish divergence here as well, and the daily 21 is about $7.70, so still some way down. So basically, same thing what I said for the 3-day time frame. Those 3 scenarios. Are the bulls able to actually continue pushing this price up further without even dropping to the next closest moving average on here, which would be the daily 21? Would it consolidate until this moving average actually reaches the price action, or would it just drop sharply? 12-hour same thing. 6 hour, I think this is actually where it begins seeing a loss of momentum here with seeing bearish divergence. So basically, it has not even touched any of these 21 MAs yet on these on the 6 hour up to the 3-day time frame, which is where I saw bearish divergence. On the 4-hour time frame, actually looks pretty good from here. So let's take a look into the hourly time frame where I do see a possible falling wedge situation. However, even though falling wedge patterns are 68% chance of it breaking upwards, the 32% chance here of it breaking downwards, I would actually heavily consider because of the bearish signals I just mentioned from the 6 hour to the 3-day with those bearish divergences. Okay, so if this falling wedge actually breaks upwards, the measure target, it's about $12.75 from, if it actually does break upwards by tomorrow by 3 o'clock, that is near the apex of this falling wedge pattern. Hourly 21 is right above the trend line here, so if it actually does break upwards within the next few hours, I'll still be paying attention to the hourly 21 that could be acting as resistance, even though it actually does look like the price action broke out of this falling wedge pattern. Let's take a look into the bullish and bearish case scenarios now. The bullish case scenario here, if price action could continue upwards, meaning it would actually have to break out of this falling wedge pattern first, go towards its measured target, which is about $12.75. Like I said, pretty short target there, so that's what I'm looking for. Bearish case scenario, also, measured targets may or may not be reached. It is only theoretical targets, may actually be different in live price action. I would strategize accordingly if I was in this position. Now, bearish case scenario here, immediate support will be the hourly 50 MA right now, currently about $11.10. If that does not hold, the 4-hour 21 could be the next key support here, which is pretty parallel with the fib level here at about $10.35. Okay, that's the next fib level as well. So 4-hour 21 and the fib level about $10.35 zone. That is the next level of key support I'll be taking a look at if the hourly 50 does not hold. Now, these are my very short bullish and bearish case scenarios for now for Uniswap. Let me know if you found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Let me know agreements, disagreements, feedback. I would love to hear them. Hope you manage your risk carefully, and if you would like to see any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check out my links up here on YouTube. See you next time.